we will discuss the conditional statement. Conditional statement, we have basically if else. So if else is to verify the conditions, like suppose we have like age, yeah, suppose we have any number, then we will discuss, we will check if this number will be eligible or not, this number is not eligible, this number is eligible. So according to conditions we will verify by using different operators. So firstly we have one question, like suppose we have any number and we will verify if this number is eligible. If this number is less than 18, then we will print the not eligible, and this number is greater than equal to, then equal greater than equal, then we used to, yeah, then we will print the eligible. So means less than, then we will print the not eligible, then we will, if this number will be greater than equal, then that will be print is eligible. So this question we will verify by using if else. So suppose we have creating one class, like new class, like validate. So suppose this is the one class, and now we will create main method. And last my video we have to cover in the parameterized and non-parameterized return type and return type. So same now we will create a parameterized method, public void get validate, then int number. So that method will be parameterized. Now we will check, we will create a condition, like suppose we will start if. Always we will we will start the condition by using if statement. And if there is a, like suppose number less than 18, if number less than 18, then open the body and close the body and write a statement like system.out.println that number is not eligible. Else, if this condition is not true, then display the statement like number plus is eligible. Then now if you calling that statement, that method, then firstly we create an object of a class like ob equal to new. Then suppose we have to call that method like ob dot get validate, so that number we need to require from the console. So we have to scanner class, scanner new scanner system dot in, then display the message please enter the input, yeah, please enter the age. Then now sc dot next int, sc dot next int, so like suppose number. So number we have to pass in the ob dot get validate. If you want to execute that program, then suppose you insert 17, then output will be now 17 is not eligible. If user input suppose 18, then output will 18 is eligible, because there is only two conditions. So first condition will cover in if this condition is false, then automatically execute the else statement. Else is just like in a default, is used to default. Suppose we have to another condition, like suppose if number is less than 18, then number is not eligible. If number is greater than equal 18 and less than 16, then output will be eligible. If number is greater than 60, then output will be retired, for example, yeah, not valid. Suppose else if. So suppose we have to multiples condition, then we will use to else if. Firstly we start the if statement, then we insert the else if, then we will insert the else if. According to conditions we will inside the else if statement we will use to else if statement, and after completing all the statement to use to verify the default condition, then we use to else. So now firstly we will cover number less than 18 in if statement. Then after that we have second condition is number greater than equal 18 and number less than equal 60. So that's the AND operator. That means both are the condition. If true, then statement will be true. If one condition is false, then that condition will be false. Now output will be is eligible, is eligible. Means number plus is eligible. Else if number is greater than 60, then output will be number is not valid. Then we will execute the statement, execute the program. Then firstly we insert the 12, 12 is not eligible. Insert the 60, then output will be eligible. Then insert the 61, then output will be is not valid. So that is the condition statement, that is the conditional statement. So we have to verify the multiples conditions by using if else statement. Yeah, we have to multiples, we have to two and more conditions than we used to, starting with the if statement, then after that we will add else if to create the conditions, and last one is else. Else means default. If all conditions are failed, then else will be executed. So that is the if else statement. Basically is my last question. Yeah, if I just to provide your one question, please try it. Suppose we will get the input from the user by as a character. Suppose user insert the character like A, yeah, user insert the character like E. So A means A is a vowel. If insert the E, then output will be E is a vowel. Then if insert the B, then output will be B is a consonant. Means user insert the alphabet and will verify that alphabet is a correct, that alphabet is a vowel, or that alphabet is a consonant. So please try it and paste in the comment section. If any doubt, if any queries, please write the comment in the comment section. I will try to answer it on the comment box. Thank you.